A very good morning. Drier weather has set in across the western parts of the country, but we are starting off the day with a light rain across parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Pretty chilly once again for the southwest and interior. Temperatures once again dropping to below freezing around Sutherland, 1 above freezing for Calvinia, Cape Town, 12 degrees. Colder as we go towards Gqeberha with a minimum of 9. Also chilly for the central areas with temperatures just around the 5-degree mark around much of the Eastern Cape, the Free State, Gauteng, Johannesburg, 8 degrees, 10 for Pretoria, the same for Polokwane. Durban still fairly warm with a minimum of 16 and 17 for the low temperature in Richards Bay. Now, we have quite a bit of fog over the western and southern interior with partly cloudy skies over those areas, including over the south coast where we have a slight chance of light rain and drizzle between Knysna and the Gqeberha area. Partly cloudy skies for much of the Eastern Cape. Then in KwaZulu-Natal, it is mostly cloudy with light rain and drizzle already going on and pushing northwards into the Mpumalanga escarpment areas. Otherwise, sunny skies would dominate the weather across much of the country with light to moderate winds in most areas. A fresh southwesterly breeze is forecast along the Eastern Cape coastal areas, and we still have that warning for big damaging waves that could cause problems navigating at sea all along the south and the east coast. So be cautious if you're going to head out to the waters in those coastal areas. Gauteng is going to see clear blue skies once again this Tuesday rather, with Johannesburg peaking at 27, 29 for the high in Pretoria. Sunny weather also forecast across much of Limpopo. A bit of cloud for the eastern areas, and that's going to cool temperatures compared to what we saw yesterday. A pleasant 25 for Tzaneen and also for Polokwane. In Mpumalanga, it is also going to be partly cloudy with a chance of drizzle in places around Mkondo and Bombela, both warming to around 21 degrees. Light rain and drizzle for much of KwaZulu-Natal. It is going to be cool to cold for most areas. Kokstad managing a high of just around 16 degrees. Temperatures will warm up slightly over parts of the Eastern Cape, but it will be rather chilly for Gqeberha with a chance of drizzly conditions, especially for the first part of the day. A dry one is forecast for the Western Cape, Cape Town, peaking at 17, 19 for Clanwilliam, 20 for Beaufort West. Then in the Northern Cape, it's going to be mostly sunny in most areas, still chilly for Sutherland, peaking at just 16, 25 for Kuruman and also for Appington. Sunny skies for the Free State with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s for most areas. Bloemfontein, 22, the same for Forest Smith. In the northwest, we are also expecting clear skies overhead. Temperatures in the upper 20s around Rustenburg, Mahikeng and Tosca. A bit cooler for the rest of the province. Then on Thursday, we stay with light rain around parts of KwaZulu-Natal. That's all from me for now.